Welcome to my channel. My name is Daniel and today we're going to review this envelope. Just received it today and let's see. I ordered this from Banggood. Some stainless steel lids, or I don't know how you call them. To solder together batteries, because I want to make a big battery for my airplane. Those are tiny. I don't know how many pieces. I'm gonna put a text on the video after, and I'm gonna see how many. So small. They're so small and tiny, they cannot keep them in place. I think it's 2 centimeters. Just almost 2.5. 2.5 by 5 millimeter. Yes. And another one is just a jack. I ordered this one for the microphone. Actually the microphone arrived much faster than this jack, and now I just make the microphone, but I'm gonna change the wire and I'm gonna put this on the other end of the microphone. It's gold, it's new, the quality it's quite good, I cannot say anything about that. The finish is the same, it's good for the price. I have this I don't know, is the name of this spring, I think so, yeah, just a spring. I can see the finish, it's very good. It's very nice, it's gold and have this protection also for the wire. Yeah, and this is the jack, 3.5 millimeter gold jack, 3.5 millimeter from Banggood, and those are the, I don't know how is the name of this now, I just forget it. I just forget the name of those tiny. I ordered before from Banggood something like this. They are the same but just much longer, and you have to cut them to make them short. And how many pieces do you want, or Those are 30 pieces. I don't know for how many euro, but I just work with those for a while and they're okay. Cannot complain about anything. You can solder very fast. They absorb the solder very fast. Just put them right here and over here a lot, and I want to change this with those from here. And I'm gonna make a new battery. I'm gonna put those instead of this connection now, but yeah, for the moment it's okay. This cost me like €1.16, yes, free shipping. And those tiny, there are 100 pieces. I don't know if it's 100 pieces over here. I'm not gonna count them now, but I think there are 100 pieces here. And this was like €2.77. Solder tab for subsea 14500 and 18650 battery cell, how they write here, but you can use it for many other batteries. It's okay for the other things, maybe, I don't know for what exactly you can use this if you want, not just for battery, but yeah. Okay, those are for the review for the moment, and please subscribe, like the video, and see you next time. Bye bye.